everyone, and today we'll be making Yow Hon or hot pot. Let's start cooking. Very yummy and easy dinner. So let's start. First we will need our ingredients. These are all of our ingredients, and I put them in subtitles so that you can read it. The best things to add into the hot pot are beef, morning glory, and seafood. The rest of the other ingredients are optional and for you to choose to add into your hot pot. I will start off by adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I will add in my shallot and garlic. And I will stir that around until it's golden brown. After it's golden brown, I will add in my red chili paste and mix that with the shallot and garlic, as you can see here. I will add in my shrimp paste and mix it around with the rest of the other ingredients. Then I will add in my coconut cream and stir around again. And I will continue stirring it. And then after I will add in crab paste with it to get its red color and mix it together again. I will then add in my palm sugar, stir that with it until it melts. Then my fish sauce, chicken powder, and I will stir that in as well. Next I will add in my roasted peanuts and mix that in with the rest of the mixture. I will then add in my kaffir lime leaves, my chicken broth, and I will mix those all together so that it makes our soup base. Next I will be adding in my tamarind, and then I will add in 2 liters of water since I forgot to add that in the beginning. Next we will move on to our meat, and I will break the egg. Then we'll move back to our hot pot soup, and I will be adding in my beef and we'll be mixing that around. Then we will move on to my seafood and adding that in as well and letting that cook. As you can see here, I'm adding in the prawn and the squid.
Ooh, looks yummy!
Next, I added in my mushrooms and the rest of my vegetables. This is optional, because you could add in any of your favorite vegetables that you want to add in. So I just added in my favorites.
Wow, looks much more tastier now.
Next, I added in my meat, which was balls, and we added that in because I wanted some. You can add any meat that you wanted, but I wanted to add in this in. I also added in some quail eggs that I like, and now I think after it cooks, we will get to eat it. Now, as you can see here, it's all cooked, and now I will taste test it. It was so yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.